how to make an awesome paper airplane. The 56 Flable. It is just amazing. And you'll see, I'm not a grown-up yet. I'm just a kid, so it might not fly too far, but it flies super far. Pretty far. Good enough. Okay, now I'll teach you how to fold it. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to fold this plane. First of all, you have a long edge and a short edge. Do the long edge to the long edge, just like this. Just like that, okay? Now unfold, so it's a valley fold. And now fold down, which right here, about like an inch, but not all the way down, like about an inch. Like this far, you see? Okay. Now, we need some tape. Okay. For the frame, we need some tape. And now we are going to open it up. All of it should be at valleys and make it all mountains. Now, do you see that little point where everything meets? Fold right on that point. Find that point. Like, we're kind of like doing this right to that edge. But actually, we're finding the point. Find that point. Find the point, okay? Got it? Okay, good. Now, you see this crease and the center? Line those up kind of like this. Line everything up. And you should have a little bit extra, see some extra. That's good. Okay. Now we're going to like, same thing. Like, on that little thing right there. Now, crease all the way, having some extra, and some extra down here on those extras. And now, we're kind of like, you see, we can kind of like collapse it into the shape. See? The plane should look like this. Now, we're going to fold only one of the tabs into the center. Center. Now, fold the other one into the center. And now, flip it. Now fold this into the center. Now this into the center. That's the one. Now, yeah, your plane should look like this. Now, we're just gonna like flip it over, do you see? And we're kind of like, only like, if we have it flipped over, make this part all tucked in. And now, like this. With this line. And everything should be right. Now, do you see it? Only pick one of them up. Do you see? We have 4 little things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only get one of them, fold it down. Okay? Now we have 3. Flip it over and grab one of them. Those are the wings. Now, open all of this up. You think you have it. An awesome plane. Now, sharp tip everything. Super cool. Keep the wings in. We have some taping to do. Get a piece of tape. See, tape. Now, this is what we're gonna do. tape the cockpit together. So there's only one cockpit, not two cockpits. You don't want two cockpits. You see? Now you think you're done. No. Now we're just getting a little tiny piece, about like this big. Get it like at the very back where the cockpit is gone. Put that little piece of tape right there. Now put that together. Now open the wings back up. You don't have wings. Get a piece. Yes. Now tape the bottom. And now do that. Okay. Now we have a finished 56 fighter. Okay. It's awesome. Bye.